There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now,
Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl. Hey, what's up, divas? What's up, divas? What's up, divas? What's up, divas? What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Welcome back. It's your girl A. We came to slay, never to play. Okay. What's up, y'all? What's up, everybody? Got a lot going on right now. I got some cheetah print, a leopard print, and I got some snake print. You know, I really do love these little head things. Remember my godmother? As a kid, I remember my godmother. She used to always wear these. She had them in like every single color. And I just really liked them from that moment on. Like these, you could just like really jazz these up. Other than that, I hope y'all all having a really great day when y'all are watching this. Now, girl, listen, I have never, when I tell you I've never worked with this company. I don't really even know if I ever heard of them before. Like the name sounds real familiar. So this company is called WigCool, okay? Baby, they was just cool. They sending you some cool stuff. When you put this wig on, you look cool and cute and just, you know, from there on. They sent me this wig. This is 110% virgin Burmese curly hair. Girl, this is 250% density. When I tell you this is Shaka Khan big, this is Shaka Khan big. But the curls are so pretty, like juicy, full, soft, baby. The only thing that I did have to do, okay, because I'm not really used to doing this for reviews anymore because, you know, they come out with this everything to where you ain't got to bleach nothing no more. But girl, I did have to bleach this wig. That's all I did. I didn't thin it out. The hairline looks thin enough to me, 13x4. Baby, okay, comes with combs where they need to be in the middle right here from the rooter to the tutor, okay? Adjustable straps in the nape and also a removable adjustable elastic band. What more can you ask for? Like the knots lifted so easy and quick in his hair. This is really some really nice hair. I'm gonna show you what your wig comes like when you get it from WigCool. Yes, let's just get into this, okay?
Well, you had me from the start. By the way you stared, the way you wrote upon me, yeah. Man, I felt your energy. Wasn't used to being loved and treated differently, yeah. But something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're on completely different pages. Let's go where we were, where no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Boy, you take me on a trip. Always up and down and back and forth in merry-go-round. I just wanna get it right. But when you go left, I'm stuck here feeling left behind. Cause something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're going.
So due to the way the unit fits, I decided I'm going to install it between or behind my hairline just a little bit. And what I do is just pull out just a little bit of the edges on my natural hairline, and I'm just going to use the Ebin New York just to install it. So as I said before, this hairspray is not the best when you want to be really active, as it states it is. But if you're just trying to sit there, girl, and look pretty, then this hairspray is definitely going to give you a hold. I guess it really honestly also depends on the body temperature of each person. So for me, when I move just a little bit during like a try-on, I did use this hairspray in hopes that it would hold down, but I did notice that it started lifting. So you ladies in the comments, let me know what your true thoughts of the Ebin New York hairspray is. And do you feel the red can is the strongest hold or the black? I'm very curious to know. Now, as you see, I just went ahead and I did put 3 layers of the Eben, and it does dry really quick, especially when you just keep on layering it. It does get very, very tacky, very, very sticky, and it does give a good hold. So I just went ahead and hairsprayed each side. Now, you always want to make sure that you clean up any of your hairspray, what you see on my forehead, which I will clean up. So I'm just going to do a little bit different with this unit because I did reinstall her a few days later because I wanted to see how it would look if I did not touch any of the curls while the hair was still damp and just allow it to dry on me without any finger combing as you see me doing here. Now, this hair can get very big, especially if you're getting a 250 density. If you love a lot of hair, girl, then this must just be for you, okay? As for me, sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. So this is what it looks like when it's, to me, at its fullest. Now, you can definitely make this bigger if you choose to, but if you like it really big like this, then girl, rock it, okay? Now, if you want a little bit more tamed, then I would say get you a bottle of water with some conditioner in it, some of either Nairobi or Lotta Body, and just foam that into the curls. Once you have a good detangling brush, like I would use this one right here, girls, this definitely will define the curls, especially with this particular motion. And then I decided to just pin it back on the side a little bit so that way I could have a little bit more tamed look and polish. Now, a few days later, I decided, let me see how it would look reinstalled. And this is what the hair looks like when it's not messed with, when it's damp and dried on my head. Girl, this was a lot of hair, 250 density. Listen, I will link everything down below for WigCool hair. I felt like this was a lot. I did finally like the very ending. See, I like my hair kind of tamed, but it also depends on what I'm wearing for that day. You know what I'm saying? But you know what I'm saying? If you love big hair and you really don't care, then get you 250. The quality of the hair, though, is amazing. Very succulent, juicy curls. I loved it. And I love the natural color of it. It was like a medium dark brown, which was great. Do you see those curls in the back? Very succulent, very succulent. But I'll leave all of the information down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you rate, comment, subscribe, thumbs the video up. And you know what? I love you all, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.